Got a nice little magnetic clip here. Goes on simply with double-sided tape onto the back of a rangefinder. I'll show you how simple I can put it on mine. Just the magnet on the other end. Nice little tab here to pull, get it started. I've been keeping mine in a case on my bag. Now that I got this little magnet, find the spot to put it here. It'll clip right on, and use the magnet rather than the bag. Every rangefinder is a little bit different. I got a small micro one here, so I'll place it a little bit off center. Put it's magnetic. It will hold. I'll go show you how that works in a minute. Still fits in my hand. Put it in the palm there. I'm right-handed.